This is Todd Musgrave, and we're at Marshall Electronics, InfoComm 2018. We're highlighting our HD resolution cameras currently available in the market and some of our top sellers in different categories. The CV225 is a full HD, HD SDI output, weatherproof, IP67 rated. This camera is used quite often in motorsports, outdoor sports, all kinds of outdoor weather incremental applications. This one retails for a $500 price point and is available now. The CV505, again, versatile lens options and M12 mount lens. We have about 15 different options and different focal lengths using prime lenses, which is near focus to infinity, and in HD resolution all the way up to 1080p 60. This one has HDMI output as well as a 3G and HD SDI output. Again, $500 list price and available now. The CV345CS is a CS mount, so it provides flexibility in one lens with a varifocal options 2.2 to 6, 5 to 50 millimeter, but gives you more flexibility in lens options. This one has an HDMI output all the way up to a 3G SDI output signal, 1080p 60, and HD SDI for the 1080i and 720p. Available now, list price on this one is $500. The CS mount lenses range from $120 to $150. So very flexible, very affordable, and very good quality video. Our CV350 10X is a zoom block camera. So it's a pair of parfocal zoom block with HDMI and HD SDI outputs, all the way up to 1080p 60 and 1080i 60, as well as 720p 60. This one and the others are remote adjustable from our RCP and other camera control platforms using Sony Visca controls. So this one you can remotely adjust for iris, zoom, as well as other color features to adjust for various environments and changing environments in your production facilities. Our CV620 is a full PTZ, full featured camera. This one retails for $1,800. It comes in white or black, full HD resolutions up to 1080p 60, 1080i 60, and 720p 60. Remote adjustable with Sony Visca commands via RS-232 or 485. And again, adaptable into Crestron, Extron, and other platforms, very easily integrated and easy setup and control. So HDMI and HD SDI outputs, as well as RS-232. For more information about our cameras, please visit our website, marshall-usa.com, and we will update that on a regular basis.